Hi everyone, today for our Trunk Club looks, I have chosen for the month of March a St. Patrick's inspired box. And I think the stylist did a fantastic job. The longer I keep receiving these boxes, the more fine-tuned they are with my tastes and the way I live my life. Every single outfit I would have kept if it weren't for the weather. In other words, it's getting too hot here in Houston to wear long sleeves even and bulky heavy sweaters, but oh gosh, every look I was happy with. If you don't know how the Trunk Club works, please just take a look at this video right here, and I have a coupon code on my description that if you use it you will get $50 off the first item you purchase. Enjoy! So for the very first outfit, I got this lovely green CeCe top, and it is just lovely. It was meant to be worn with my Paige pants that I had bought before from this trunk, and these shoes, the Clark shoes, which are on sale right now, so it would be a great deal. However, I already have these awesome J. Crew with the little tassels, and of course with my earrings. It just looks great. I do have a green shirt like this, or very similar, that I purchased over the holidays. It's also a CeCe top shirt, so let me walk away and let you see what this look looks like. Now this look is just adorable for St. Patrick's Day. A rugby style striped shirt with this nice and cozy. You can tell it's cotton and it's supposed to look and feel like a very old sweater. And these lovely bright coral pants that are super wide, and again with the Clark shoes, but I'm wearing my own, and the lovely earrings. I love it how the stylist combined two different prints, the animal prints on the shoes and the stripes on the top. So cute. This look is just lovely. I really liked what they did. I had requested that they sent me something to go with my Halogen pants, and they sent me a Halogen top, of course. It has all sorts of frilly things, so it's very feminine, and I love feminine tops such as these. It has the little French dots in there, and the little, I forgot what these are called, but the sleeves are all gathered, and just lots of detail. Very cute, and they went fabulous with the Camuto sandals and the earrings. Now this is a super fun, slouchy, comfortable outfit. The waffle slouchy sweater in this, it has a heather tone to it. It's a yellow green with a heather gray in the background. It's very subtle, but it's lovely, slouchy and comfy, hides everything, with these Paige pants that are super comfortable. Oh, they have a stretch to them, and I really love it. It's such a fun outfit that I definitely could use, although it's 80 degrees in Houston today, so our winter is pretty much over. But what a great outfit, you guys, for spring. Hold on. Don't forget the front tuck. A super carefree outfit. I love it. All right, you guys, now the very last look is this lovely, cute little dress. It's comfortable, just cotton, but it has a tulip front. I won't keep it because it shows my knees and I don't like showing my knees. It's not very flattering because I do have arthritis, but it is so lovely and simple, just with the earrings and the cute sandals. What a lovely springtime look to go shopping with your friends or just to run your errands. It has a ruched waistline so that you can hide your tummy. Take a look.